Wave! That's the framework all up then. And it's sunny. The finished frame in all its glory. And Mr. Taney's sunning himself.
For the glory of the town of Hythe. The glory of the state of Israel.
Right, if you get the long level.
The long level.
There it is there. Right, what I want you to do, hang on, don't come in. I want you to push up against here so that you push that up against that stop.
To push?
This way up against this stop.
Yeah. With the level.
Push.
Yeah.
Right.
They're doing the fiberglassing the box gutter. Okay, such as it is. There we are. It's a nice smell, you won't be able to catch that on the vision.
You drop
the screw.
the screw, I'll find it.
Go.
Hello, the site foreman. Rocky, the site foreman.
Look for that when we're not doing it.
On goes the edge pieces. Soon be.